Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're scratching your head over the F3E0 error code on your Whirlpool oven, you're not alone. This pesky error can halt your baking plans, but don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you step by step. In this video, we'll cover what the code means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly and safely. First things first, let's decode the F3E0 error. This code typically signals a problem with your oven's temperature sensor, which is responsible for monitoring and regulating heat. If it's malfunctioning, your oven might not heat properly or could shut down entirely. Now, what causes this issue? The most common culprits include a faulty temperature sensor, loose or damaged wiring, or even a glitch in the control board. Over time, wear and tear, power surges, or physical damage can trigger this error. It's often something simple, but it pays to check thoroughly. Before we jump into fixes, remember safety is key. Always unplug your oven or switch off the power at the circuit breaker to avoid any electrical risks. Once that's done, let's get to the solutions. Step 1. Inspect the wiring. Carefully remove the back panel of your oven and look for any loose, frayed, or disconnected wires linked to the sensor. If you spot any, reconnect them securely or replace damaged ones. Step 2. Test the temperature sensor. Grab a multimeter. This handy tool will help you check the sensor's resistance. At room temperature, it should read around 1080 ohms for most Whirlpool models. If the reading is way off, the sensor is probably defective. Step 3. Replace the faulty sensor. You can order a compatible replacement online or from an appliance parts store. Installation is straightforward. Just follow your oven's manual for guidance, then reassemble everything. After making repairs, plug your oven back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, it might be a deeper issue with the control board, so call a certified technician. And there you have it, your Whirlpool oven should be back in action. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy fixes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.